Hey guys, it's Aubrey and Tara, and today we're going to be making an avocado shrimp salad with a homemade cilantro lime dressing. This will come together in a snap. So without further ado, let's get started.
For the salad, you will need 1 head of romaine lettuce, about 5 cups, 2 cups of cherry tomatoes, half a medium red onion, roughly 1 cup of corn or 2 corns on the cob, 2 English cucumbers, and 2 large avocados. Then for the shrimp, you will need 1 pound large shrimp, peeled and deveined, 1 tablespoon lime juice, 2 tablespoons olive oil, 2 cloves minced garlic, half a teaspoon salt, a 1/4 teaspoon black pepper, and half a teaspoon paprika. And lastly, for the dressing, you will need 3 tablespoons of olive oil, half cup chopped cilantro, 3 tablespoons lime juice, a 4-ounce block of feta cheese for topping, 1 teaspoon salt, and half a teaspoon black pepper. In a large bowl with 1 pound of shrimp, add in 2 tablespoons olive oil, 1 tablespoon lime juice, 2 cloves minced garlic, half a teaspoon salt, a 1/4 teaspoon black pepper, and half a teaspoon paprika for color. Stir until the shrimp is fully coated. In a medium-sized skillet, cook shrimp over medium heat for 2 minutes per side until pink. Remove from heat and let cool. So now it's time to chop and prep all of your vegetables. Chop the end off of your lettuce, cut through the middle of your lettuce lengthwise, place the half on its side, and cut 3 strips lengthwise. Repeat with the other half. And chop into bite-sized pieces. Now rinse and dry the chopped lettuce. Today we're using a salad spinner. Transfer lettuce to a serving bowl. And now for the tomatoes. It's pretty simple, just cut them in half. With the half of the red onion, peel off the skin and the first layer. Place it on its flat side and then cut lengthwise. Then turn and cut across. Then for cutting the cucumber, cut the 2 ends off. Then cut half lengthwise. Then slice into about 1-inch pieces thick. Then for the feta cheese, this part is optional but highly recommended. It goes perfectly with the salad. And lastly, for the avocado, cut it in half, remove the pit, and then slice into bite-sized pieces or however you would like it. Now for the dressing. In a small bowl, add in 3 tablespoons olive oil, 3 tablespoons lime juice, half a cup of chopped cilantro, 1 teaspoon salt, and half a teaspoon black pepper. Whisk until fully combined. Now it's time to assemble your salad. Add in your shrimp, your cucumbers, your tomatoes, your corn, and of course the avocado, and the onions. Using purple onions adds a nice pop of color.
So the salad is all ready, and you guys, look how beautiful it looks. What I love about the salad is that you get something in every bite, and it's so colorful and flavorful. So let's get on with the taste test. The salad is so good. Everything complements each other perfectly. The avocado, the tomato, the shrimp, the feta cheese, and the cucumber, it just works, and it's so refreshing. So if you guys enjoyed this video, please give it a big thumbs up, subscribe down below, and we will see you next time.
Bye!